Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your legal part for Zemers. So this is going to be really easy. First, go to the Settings button over here. Then, on this place, you select the legal part over here. Once you're on the legal part, you can change here your terms with whatever terms you want, and your privacy policy, again, with whatever privacy policy you want. Let's add it here. Example, save, and save. Now, also, if you want them to be seen in the footer of your pages, you can go to Storefront, go to this place, and make sure you have the creator footer shown, and you can see here, it's the privacy and terms. Now, if you open in a new tab and go here to terms, these are your terms. Example, for the creator Zemers, this is my account, but it will be your account here. Back to store. And the privacy, again, this is going to be the privacy. You can also have the terms and condition in your checkout page, Stripe checkout. For example, go to product, go to your product, go to edit, manage product, go to settings, and here you have advanced options, and make sure you have this checked, required terms and condition at checkout. So this means when somebody wants to buy your product, they have to accept your terms and conditions in order to purchase. And this will solve your legal part. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy.